Alright guys, we're at Jerk Flavors and we're gonna go eat. We just parked and it actually smells really delicious outside. I don't know if you think the same.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, it smells really delicious. We're gonna go in there, we're gonna try this Jamaican food. This is Florida, so I really do think, in my personal humble opinion, the food is gonna be literally on par to the T with Jamaica.
Pepper chicken.
We both got jerk chicken and chicken patties. So we both got meat patties. I got curry chicken and spicy beef, and he also got the curry chicken. We both got jerk chicken, which comes with plantains, rice, and some cabbage. Let's try it out. What do you think?
Really good rice and beans.
The jerk chicken, Jamaica quality jerk.
For the hot sauce, they got the hell hot.
Oh, we both got Jamaican sodas also. Mine is the cola champagne flavor. You got what?
Grape.
This is really good.
We actually just tried out the new grape flavored Mountain Dew. Very exclusive. It's only at Circle K. This is so much better than that. This does right where that fell short. Like the grape Mountain Dew was not grape at all. Like this is actually this is a heavy grape flavor, which I'm really into. I like grape soda a lot.
As you guys know, grape soda has been declared my favorite since Mexico.
Oh my god. This cabbage is phenomenal too. Oh, I didn't even try the hot sauce like I wanted to. Let's see how hot it is. It says hell hot. That is pretty hot. It's definitely very vinegary.
I don't know which one this is. I'll take a bite. I can feel it's very hot, so I'm gonna burn the roof of my mouth. But I'll pretend I didn't. I'll let you guys know how this is.
Also,
this one is the curry chicken.
the filling.
Very good. It's actually really, really good. Solid.
I just want to point something out. We both got this small.
Oh yeah.
And this is like 2 pounds of food for each of us.
Yeah, very affordable too. Spicy beef is also extremely good. Jamaican meat patties are some of my favorite. I think that they do meat pies, meat patties really, really well. They're pretty common in a lot of the English-speaking world. Not so much in America, but Jamaica, I think, is really phenomenal at doing them.
Try these delicious plantains.
Jamaican style plantain.
That's a really nice thing about Florida. There's so many Jamaicans. You can get just top tier Jamaican cuisine. The availability is there. I hope you've learned a little bit about Jamaican food. On to the next Floribbean food. We're here at Singh's Roti Shop to show you a little bit of the culture and cuisine of the West Indian community of Orlando. Let's go check it out.
Floribbean.
A lot of stuff here, I don't know what it is. I'd like to try it all, but can't do it today.
And if you want to know what it is, boom.
This one, fisherman soup.
This is alright. It's too salty, I think.
Salty.
The salt concentration is too high.
I didn't taste any salt.
Yeah, I think it's a little...
Desensitized. Alright, Lane's first double of all time.
My first double.
It looks like this. Delicious.
Very interesting. Where are these from?
I think it's just West Indian in general. I don't know if it's specifically Guyanese or Trinidad and Tobago.
How was it introduced to you?
By Guyanese.
Guyanese? Okay. So, definitely Guyanese, maybe other things. That's all I know about it. Where they originally made, you don't know at all. Then what ingredients?
So this is a chickpea curry with roti and sauce and spice.
What kind of sauce do we put on this one?
Sweet and spicy. Sweet and sour and spicy. It's all about the flavors.
Yep. Yeah, I think roti is really good, like the bread. So, in the West Indies, there's a huge Indian influence, which this food I would definitely say obviously has a lot of. That's where this kind of comes in from. So, it's very interesting to see, you know, a place that's actually named after India, the West Indies, on accident. It was named that totally by accident because they thought they were actually in India or near India, and it ended up having a huge Indian influence later on anyway.
Yeah, this is definitely different than just regular Indian food because of the other influences that were brought by the British to the region, and it all comes together to make Floribbean food so interesting. Doubles from Singh's Roti Shop in Orlando, Florida. 7.1 out of 10.
What?
You gotta stuff it. Bad straws, strong cups.
Horrible combo, but it's literally like pinched. My straws like pinched in it.
It pinched mine too. What's the name of this shake?
This shake is made for all the mammies out there. This is mammy shake.
We're at El Palacio de los Jugos, the palace of the juices.
It kind of tastes like a passion fruit. That's it.
But it's mammy. They added milk to it. I think it's pretty good. Here, you guys get an extra food review. This is not a Floribbean food, but why not? If you're coming to El Palacio de los Jugos, try the Tres Leches. Let's see. Wait a minute.
That only has dos leches.
This is the Floribbean, but this is better. Quit stealing the show. Alright, that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this Floribbean video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next.